Hello everybody, Abdel here, and welcome to Abdel's Home Cooking. As you all know, tomorrow is Mother's Day, so if you want to make your mother a special treat, but don't want to go over budget, then I got the recipe for you. We're gonna be making some delicious chocolate dipped strawberries. The only ingredients we're gonna be using are melting chocolates and fresh strawberries. Now I know we've all seen them before in my previous classes. But just to let you know, no, chocolate dip delicacies like these aren't just for Valentine's Day. They're for any occasion that'll help people feel special. Even mothers, hence tomorrow. So we're gonna be doing chocolate covered strawberries today. If you missed the other times I did chocolate covered strawberries, I'll leave them in the link below. Now before we begin, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share my channel and videos with others to keep the channel growing. And if you have any suggestions for my next videos, please leave them in the comments below. With that said, let's get started. Alright, let's start with the chocolates. Now for this, we're going to be using the double boiler method. First you need a small pot filled with water. Then we turn on the stove top until it's boiling hot. Alright, now once the water's hot enough, we place it in our bowl. And fill it with our chocolates. Now make sure the stove top is on low to prevent burning. Then using a rubber spatula, you stir in the chocolate like so until all of it's completely melted. Alright, once our chocolate is melted, we turn off the stove top and remove the chocolate from the heat. Alright, now we take one of our strawberries and dip them in the chocolate. But for now, we'll wait for those who have trouble gaining their grip, so to speak. Yes. Try jamming a toothpick on the strawberry. Don't forget a cup. Don't forget to keep a cup. And dip the strawberry in the chocolate like so. Then we use a butter knife to slip it out of the strawberry and place it on a cupcake paper like so the chocolate doesn't stick into the plate. Look at the demonstration. Grab a strawberry, hook a toothpick into it, dip it in the chocolate, roll, place on the paper, and slide it up. Now do this until all your strawberries are. Now do this until all the strawberries are good and cocoa-licious. And just like that, we got some delicious chocolate dipped strawberries for your madre. All that's left to do is leave them in the fridge until tomorrow, and you'll have your delicious gift for your madre. Just like, and these are gonna go to my mom tomorrow. So, Mom, if you're watching this, yes, happy early Mother's Day. Hey, love ya. But then there's the second half of the heart there. But anyway, that's going to be it for today's video. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share my channel and videos with others to keep the channel growing. And if you have any ideas for future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, 1, bon appetit, and 2, Happy Mother's Day.